Hey, David here. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to take off the headliner. I'm going to show you how to do the wiring. And a very important part, I'm going to show you where to put the light source. It's hot glued down onto the headliner back here. And then I'm going to show you how I cut the fiber optics. I used 3 different methods. But real quick, I've been messing around with cars for years. I never thought of, making videos of it. And as you can see, the channel is pretty new. I made a bet with my brother-in-law that I would get 50,000 subscribers by this April. That's a month and a half away. Please help me crush this guy. What do I gotta do? Honestly, this is not a promise, but I've been thinking of chopping the roof off this thing, making it a convertible, because no one's done it yet. This car, I bought this car, this FRS, it's a special edition, 2014. I bought it it cost me like 7 G's. But that's in another video. Let's get to the install. So in the package, this is what you're gonna get. This goes to the LED box, and this is where you tap into your power. You're gonna go under right there. There's a fuse box. You're gonna tap into a fuse using this, and this is gonna get screwed onto the frame of the body for negative. Take this off. Take this off. And then this is under the driver's side. Take this thing off. You're going to take out the fuse that's closest to the tire, basically. Closest to the driver's side tire in this corner. Take that out. That's your positive. Take off this 10 millimeter right here. This is for your hood latch. Take off the top. And put it back on. Okay, so for the plus, you got this, you tapped into the fuse box, and minus this 10 millimeter right here. Take and put one of these zip ties through here. take this end, after you did that little zip tie, take this end right here, this hole right here, put it in, it comes out through here. Don't make it too tight. Stick it in there for now. Alright, after you put it through here, take it straight from there, attach it to where this antenna wire goes. Don't tighten it too much just yet. Just for reference, the end of this should be about where this bolt is, right here. And now just tighten it. Alright. We are wired up. This is an important part right here. This is where the light source is going to stand on the headliner after you do your drilling, you know, putting in the fiber optics. And when you do work in this highlighted area, drill at like a 30-degree angle. So when you put this, when you hot glue this on, you're not bending these fiber optics at that crazy 90-degree angle and mess up with the light flow of light. And these are pretty good. You can bend them actually pretty good, and it doesn't kink it. How you get this outline? Let's measure from this tab, in the middle of the tab, 6 1/4 inches. 6 1/4 inches. I already put the dot right there, and then this way, 7 1/2 right there. 7 1/2. Take something straight, like my ghetto ruler. Straight line. Straight line. And that's where the light source is going to be. You can here, take a look at this. See where this line is right here? It's about a 1/4 inch, maybe a little less, you know, this way. And on this line, it's basically touching this line. So basically put the light source down. Here, put the light source down and just outline it, you know, a little more on this area right here for this doodad. Okay, you're gonna get these squishy foam strips on top. So this thing's gonna sit on the headliner, and it's gonna have about 1/2 inch of playroom right here to the ceiling. So if you ever do hit it, you know, you're not gonna have that metal sound. It's really soft.